You ready? Hey folks, welcome back to the Feroz Moto channel. Today we are doing some cruise footage from one of the North Jersey Miata meets. I had a blast running with these guys. Even though this is not a super spirited drive, it was one to remember. So many awesome Miatas, the weather was absolutely beautiful, and the roads to match. If you guys enjoyed this content, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what your guys' favorite Miata is from this group. Let's do it. Alright folks, I'm now back in my NC3 Miata, and comparing that to the turbocharged NC1, it is completely different in regards to power, of course. It's almost an extra 100 wheel horsepower when it comes to the difference of these cars, and it is night and day when it comes to response, to power, to ripping your face off when it comes to a lot of things. So it's a lot of fun, it's a blast. Now the question is, which is more fun and what's worth the money? Now it really matters the experience you want out of this thing. I've already had the high horsepower type of thing, so adding more power to this guy, as nice as it is to have, definitely not essential. But to experience that again, it sure is nice, guys. It sure is really nice. So I don't know. I think for the money and how he did it, it's very hard to beat. I think around $5 grand maybe all in. But regards to this guy doing an all motor setup, you're never going to get the same power when it comes to that. So turbocharging seems to be definitely the way to have the most fun on these guys. And we're just going to keep going. But I'm absolutely loving it. I have no regrets when it comes to this car. The throttle response, the immediacy, the inputs, like it's just so dialed. You get to use all the revs all the time. You can't go wrong with either. I'm so grateful to have the experience. Thank you guys so much for allowing me to do this and you guys watching my content. But this is where it's at, man. This is where all the fun is had. about carrying the speed, the momentum, guys, the momentum. I love it. I love it. The biggest thing definitely I want is a better tire, a summer tire, just waking this car up so much. These squishy sidewalls are just not fun to keep leaning on, and that immediacy and turn in is just so crisp. So much nicer on a nice dedicated summer tire, so that's definitely in the works in the future. Beautiful day, guys, beautiful day.